Hello sisters! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anna, and if you're wondering how my hair can go from this to this, then you're in for a treat. Sisters, let's try it. Alright sisters, I got the REVLON One Step Root Booster. So it's a little bit more different than the one that you usually see on TikTok, because that one is the REVLON One Step Volumizer. That one has a 4.25-inch oval barrel and it's a lot thicker. So if you have shorter hair, it's not as beneficial, because if it's so wide, it's really hard to curl or even put the barrel around the hair. This one has a 1.5-inch round barrel, and because it's a round barrel, it's not as wide, which can also apply to a lot of different kinds of hair, like shorter hair and thinner hair. So this will be great because I have naturally thin hair. I'm excited to try this. Now that my hair is like so long, I think we can get some nice curls to this. Let's open this and let me show you how this looks like. Wow! It's a pretty wide barrel. Like, it's pretty thick here. But this one is 1.5 inch. It's like a regular curling iron, but it has the styling pins. Like, the pins are very soft. It's not going to scratch my scalp. Let me get this out of the way first. It comes with a 6-feet cord. And I love this cord because this one has a swivel cord to it. So anytime if you want to curl your hair, it will swivel instead of tangled up all around here. And at the bottom, you can see that this is where the vents are, and it'll cool down the machine itself. I really like the handle because the handle is nice and thick, has a nice ergonomic feature here. It feels really nice around the hands, and also it's very lightweight. I think this will be really good. If it works really well, this will be a really nice daily kind of hair dryer, because my hair dryer is pretty heavy compared to this. If you can see here, they actually have these little spikes. These are the styling pins compared to the volumizer one. The volumizer one have kind of like more of a comb kind of texture, but this one, it has the spiky styling pins, which is beneficial because I heard these styling pins dry your hair faster, and it also gives you a little more lift and a little more volume. At the bottom here, you can see that there's 3 types of temperature controls, and it's adjustable, and you turn the knobs like this. So you can turn it left and right. It has high, low, and cool, and of course the off button. It's like you're on a motorcycle and you're like vroom, vroom. Let's plug this baby in. What the? I thought I had it off. And you're supposed to start off with damp hair. So I washed my hair and it's like halfway dry right now. It's still a little damp. So we're gonna work this out. Let me comb it a little bit more because you should comb it through. So when you're doing it, there won't be too many tangles. And then after you finish combing through, you should part your hair. I usually part around here. This is fun. I think this is my first time trying like a hair product with you guys. My hair is like so thin and it breaks easily. Just like my mom and dad. My mom and dad have like thin hair and they don't have a lot of hair either. So I'm just like them. I don't have a lot of hair. So it's on off right now. Let's go to high. Whoa. This is high already? Holy crap. I have to speak louder to you guys because it's so noisy. It's actually very loud. And then this is a low. Oh. Nope. This is low. Oh, it's actually quite warm. So it seems like between the high and low feature, the high has the same amount of temperature, but it's just louder and there's more air blowing out. But for the low option, it has the same kind of temperature, but less speed. A lot of times my hair, when it dries naturally, when I just air dry it, so you can probably see it's a little bit frizzy and a little bit wavy. All right, let's try it. Okay, let's do the high. It gets a little warm around my neck area. If you get too close, it gets a little warm. Like this. Woo! Look at my hair! Ooh, it gets hot. Oh, my ear is actually getting warm. What's with these flyaways? Look. Ooh, you see that curl? There's some curl to it. So you can see on both sides, there's some curls, but there's also some frizz to it. Because I can't put the barrels all the way to my roots. How is this like a root booster when I can't even get close to the roots, right? This is the end result. I finished blow drying my hair. I think I need some anti-frizz kind of spray because my hair gets frizzy when I do any kind of like flat iron or like curling iron. And because it has some heat to it, whenever I apply heat, it gets frizzy. So you can see at the top here, there's a little bit of flyaway because of my baby hair, and then also the side here. But you can see the dramatic results. It's a lot poofier here. There's more volume, there's more height to my hair. And over here around the ears, there's a lot more volume too. It kind of curves out like that. Wow, this is like a blowout. This might need a little bit more practice. And when I'm doing it, I feel like I need my hair to be a little bit more wet, so I have more control. When it starts to dry, it just dries quickly and it gets more frizzy. It's giving me a pretty good lift too. I like it. What do you guys think? And now I think I need some hairspray because my hair doesn't really hold in the locks or hold in the curls really long. So whenever I finish curling my hair, I need a little bit of hairspray just for that extra hold. But so far, this is without any kind of hairspray. And I like the volume and also the curls. It's like a nice wave to it. The one bad thing about this, when I was using the high option, it was really hot. Especially when I put the barrel really close to my ears and also my neck area, it starts to burn after a little while. So I had to like get away from it, like maybe like a couple of inches at least. I think I would use the low option more because the high option, if you want that really quick kind of curl, then you can do it. But for the low option, I think it'll be good enough because I was using it earlier and it seems like it has the same effect as the high one. I really like the feel of the styling pins. It's really soft and it's really soft on the scalp. It's very gentle, so it doesn't scrape the scalp very easily. The handle is very comfortable. This is what I like about it. I love a thick barrel and a thick handle, so it feels really nice. And I love how it's lightweight. Way lighter than mine. Yeah, it feels like the handle is plastic. But because it's plastic, it also doesn't add a lot of weight to it. That's why it's so lightweight. This is a pretty nice blowout. Now I think I need some hairspray and it'll finish the look and it'll hold it in place. It's definitely give me a lot of volume, especially my type of hair. It's very flat, and whenever it's really long, when my hair gets to a certain point, it just drags down and it gets really, really flat here. Another bad thing about this machine is it gets really noisy. Even at the low setting, it was still noisy. Like that was very noisy. But after a while, I feel like I got used to it. I got it from Amazon and I got it for $69.99. I see that they have like a coupon, like maybe $5 or $6 off. My final thoughts for this product. So the best thing that I really like about this is the handle. I like how it feels. I love how it's lightweight. The bad thing about this is the high setting. The high setting gets really hot, especially when you put the barrel too close to your scalp or to your ear and your neck. And I think you're better off if you're using it every day. Maybe you can use it on the low setting, and for high setting, it's only for like the tips where if you want a little bit more curl. Is it worth the $69.99 price tag? I feel like it because it's sort of like a 2-in-1. So you have the hair dryer, the kind of like a curling iron, and also a comb, kind of like a 3-in-1. You know what? Because this is a 3-in-1 tool, I think this will declutter like your tabletop a lot more. You can get rid of your hair dryer, your comb, your curling iron, and you can just have one of this and that's it. I feel like I don't curl my hair every day, maybe just like 2 to 3 times a week, but I would definitely put this in my routine of styling my hair. I'm curious of what you guys think of this product. Have you guys tried it before? If you have, let me know in the comments below and let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, sisters! And our next client is Shuri.